I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the best way to design a faceless workflow that still works during low energy weeks? The short answer, don't build around your best week. Build around your recoverable week. Here's the framework. First, run your channel in 3 energy modes: green, yellow, and red. Green weeks are for heavy lift work, topic research, scripting, making new templates, and batching multiple videos. Yellow weeks are for assembly, voiceover, light editing, thumbnail variations, scheduling, and publishing things that are already 70% built. Red weeks are not for starting from scratch. Red weeks are for minimum viable publishing. 1 proven topic, 1 existing format, 1 thumbnail style, shorter runtime, done. Second, separate creative work from mechanical work. If a task requires thinking, do it when energy is high. If it's repeatable, template it. That means your titles, outlines, B-roll structure, edit pacing, and upload checklists should already exist before you need them. Third, keep a ready queue. I like a simple stack: ideas, researched, scripted, recorded, edited, scheduled. If you use Satura, that's where the workflow layer actually helps, because you can move videos through the same system without redeciding everything each week. My rule is simple. Your channel should still function at 60% energy. If it only works when you feel locked in, it's not a workflow, it's a sprint.